Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox One controller to your iPad. This is perfect for gaming on the go, especially with the amazing games available on iOS. So let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your iPad is running iOS 13 or later. Most newer models should be fine, but it's always good to check. You can find this in Settings, then on the General and About. Now, let's get your Xbox One controller ready to pair. To do this, press and hold the Xbox button until it lights up. Then press and hold the connect button on the top of the controller until the Xbox logo starts to flash. This means it's in pairing mode. Now grab your iPad, swipe down for control center and simply turn your Bluetooth on. You should see a list of devices. Look for your Xbox controller. It's usually listed as Xbox wireless controller. Tap on it and it should connect. Once connected, you'll see it listed under My Devices. You're all set. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy your favorite games on iPad with your Xbox controller.